3 garlic cloves, 20 grams of ginger, 2 spring onion, 50 grams of carrots, 260 grams of sweetheart cabbage, 250 grams of silverside beef, to marinate the beef, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, splash of water, and 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well. Marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, 50 ml of water. Stir until the cornstarch fully dissolves. 3 tablespoons of regular cooking oil into a medium heat pan. Brown off the ginger. Once the ginger is slightly brown like so, discard the ginger. In with our marinated beef. Keep turning until the beef is around 80% cooked and set it aside. 2 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. In with our cabbage. Pinch of salt. Pinch of sugar. In with the rest of our garlic. Keep stirring for around 1 minute. Add in our Shaoxing wine. In with the rest of our carrots. Once the hard part of the cabbage is almost translucent like so, we can add in our beef. We stir our sauce and in with the sauce we made earlier. in with the rest of our spring onion. Give that a few tosses. Once the sauce is thickened, we are ready.